I want to show you a better, stronger, and permanent way to handle a tricky but common situation, joining more than two wires together. TIFCO's American-made multiple wire connectors make this job easy. Let me show you how they work. You just cut and strip the wires you're connecting, then insert the main wire into side 1 and crimp. Then insert the remaining wires into side 2 and crimp. Grab a torch or a heat gun and heat the terminal up until the heat shrink activates and seals the connector up. Do you see this area between the wires? The heat shrink has extra sealant in the lining, so it fills the space between the wires for complete corrosion protection. If the idea of these multiple wire connectors is new to you, you probably already have a way to combine multiple wires. You may use Scotch Lock, reducing butt terminals, a three-way connector. You may even get creative and make a homemade connection. You've gotten by with these methods so far, but let me show you why each of these methods is inferior. Scotch Lock. Now, this is a pretty nice product and was pretty revolutionary when it was introduced, over 40 years ago. These will momentarily join wires, but they are bulky, break easily, can catch on things. They're only a quick fix solution. You should really only use this product if you'd like to redo the job. The reducing butt connector, as the name implies, is for reducing from one gauge to another, not for joining multiple wires. The big end of this terminal is designed for a 10 or 12 gauge wire. How confident are you that it also happens to securely hold two 16 gauge wires? A three-way connector. These look cool, but they are obviously bulky and may not fit where you need to make a connection and will definitely catch if you try to move it. You ever made something like this and been frustrated with the poor results? You know this can't be legit, right? Even if you grab your trusty electrical tape and do this. Is anybody happy with this? Aside from the various deficiencies of all of these methods, none of them are particularly strong or even permanent. Plus, and this may be the biggest problem, these connectors are not sealed, so they will not protect against corrosion. So, multiple wire connectors. These are specifically designed to join more than two wires together. Insert, crimp, and heat, and you have a strong, sealed, permanent connection. While we're here, let me tell you about a close cousin to TIFCO's multiple wire connectors, a closed-end connector. The closed-end connectors are also a USA-made product, and they will let you seal up to 4 wires. For this product, just insert the wires, crimp, and apply heat until the heat shrink activates and seals everything up. Here again, the sealant-lined heat shrink fills in the gaps between the wires to prevent corrosion and eliminate wire pullout. TIFCO's closed-end connectors, another product that is far superior to wire nuts and nylon connectors. TIFCO's multiple wire connectors and closed-end connectors can help you make secure, lasting connections in applications where there has never been a good way to do it before. Multiple wire connectors are available in 4 different sizes. Part number 44292 for 22 and 24 gauge wire, part number 44293 for 18 and 22 gauge wire, part number 44294 for 14 and 16 gauge wire, and part number 44295 for 10 and 12 gauge wire. There are 2 closed connectors available. Part number 44296 covers 14 through 22 gauge wires, and part number 44297 covers 10 through 18 gauges. These products are available in several assortments, but I want to point out part number 44298. This is a small kit that has all 6 of these connectors in it and is a great way to try out these products.